Alrighty, folks, we have our thumbs up lower bracket, round 2, match 6. Drivers behind the line. This match starts in 3, 2, 1, go.
All right, and we're off. Very quick movement from the Red Alliance here. We got 2 up for the Red Alliance. Looks like we have a little bit of friction here between the Blue Alliance spot 6725 with the Red Alliance barge area. All right, looks like we have 3 coral up for the Red Alliance and Auto. All right, and with that, we're moving into teleop 95-62, moving over to the Blue Alliance side to start playing some defense. Looks like Team 95-62 is keeping Team 67-25 in the Red Alliance side, but they managed to swerve by them. All right, over to the Red Alliance side, Team 75-20, Mindkey and Electrona working together to fill up level 4 of that reef. All right, looks like they're only 2 coral away from filling up that upper level. Very quick recovery from Team 92-62. All right, looks like Team 92-62 and Team 67-25 are going to try to put up some coral into level 4 of that Blue Alliance reef. All right, 96-59, moving over to the Red Alliance zone to start playing some defense. Red Alliance doing the same here. Team 95-62 playing the defense on that Blue Alliance. All right, back over to Red Alliance side. Looks like Electrona is going to try to get all that algae off of level 3 of their reef, freeing up the room for their alliance partner, Mindkey, to start filling up the reef. All right, we have an algae into the processor. Does it go in? And we have an algae into the net for Blue. All right, Team 95-62 keeping up that consistent defense on Team 67-25. All right, we have about 1 minute left in this match. Another algae into the processor. Does it go in? It's in for the Blue Alliance. All right, looks like Team 95-20 is encountering some resistance from Team 96-59. Meanwhile, their alliance partner Electrona filling up level 3 of that reef. Looks like Team 67-25 had a coral bounce into their bot. Let's see if they're able to free it before the end of the match. All right, we have about 25 seconds left. Team 75-20, quick recovery. All right, 20 seconds left in this match. 95-62 making their way over to their barge zone, trying to make their ascent. Alliance partners Electrona and Mindkey trying to put some more coral up. Blue Alliance 67-25 still trying to get that coral out of their bot, making their way over to the barge. All right, that is time. Unofficial scores for lower bracket round 2, match 6, 154-60. We'll be back with our official scores for this match in just a moment. All right, we have our scores. And it is the Red Alliance taking this with a score of 160-67. All right, that means the Red Alliance, Alliance 2 will be advancing in our lower bracket to round 3, match 9.